Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. Well, in our last video we were trying to show you how we enjoyed a time in CTR or Shanti Sagar in Malleshwaram, and we had a very good experience over there. Also, it was the Kannada Rajayotsava or the Formation Day of Karnataka. So there were a lot of balloons and it was very colorful and very bright, and even the restaurant was filled with people. It was truly an awesome experience. In fact, we wanted to continue to enjoy a good time over there because the place was so beautiful and bright, and all people were on a shopping experience over there. So we wanted to explore more of Malleshwaram, and so we started hanging out. And here is a video where we have gone looking out and shopping for good stuff. Also, we had gone to another restaurant called Halimana, where we'll show you in this video how it was and what is our experience. Ultimately, please stick along to see this whole entire video. On the footpath, we saw many vendors selling mangoes, cut mangoes with chili powder on it. As we walked along, we saw this jewelry shop. It was well lit up. Also, it was the festive season and many shoppers would be going to the shop to purchase a lot of gold. Also, this place was very well lit, and also the entrance was amazing with all flowers at the entrance. It was a very superb scene to see in Malleshwaram. Well, below this gold palace or the jewelry shop, we saw another shop that has a lot of textiles and a lot of Indian wear or ethnic wear, and this place too was well lit up. As we were searching for this restaurant, Halimana, we had to encounter a huge traffic. Well, that is nothing new for Bangalore. As we walked, we suddenly saw this beautiful junk jewelry shop. Now we are in front of Halimana. There is a restaurant over here which serves very good tasty sweets. They are famous for their holigays or ombotte. We'll just buy some ombotte from here, and then we will show it to you what is it all about. The entrance to the restaurant was just like a house. It was a simple house as such, but inside there was a whole lot of difference. Until you get inside, you will see the restaurant full. As we got into the restaurant, we saw the whole place was very well lit, as well as there was a lot of flowers hanging. And entering the restaurant, we saw a large mural, and also the place was covered with flowers. So it was a different experience from what we see in other restaurants. At the entrance itself, there is the cash counter, and behind the cash counter you will find a huge menu board where all the items are listed over there. We were also under confusion what to order and what is the holige all about. Unfortunately, I am not good with my Kannada, but I managed to get across with the cashier. And then special ಏನು ಎಂದು
ಹೋಳಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಇದೆ, ಜಾಕ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Jack fruit or Goa?
ಜಾಕ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ,
Goa. Okay. Mango ಒಂದು ಕೊಡಿ, jack fruit ಕೊಡಿ. Finally, I managed to place my order, and I was kind of excited after that. ಎಷ್ಟು ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? 8 flavors.
3 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? Finally, I came to understand that there were 3 flavors, and I have been charged around 90 rupees for all the 3 different types of holige. 7 o'clock in the morning or?
Morning 7 to 8. Now 8. In few days 10:30.
10:30. Okay. Thank you. I was scouting around the restaurant, and to my surprise, I saw a lot of champakalis and badushas and laddus. What a tasty treat it was for me to see all of them. The cashier told me that they are going to close their holige counter shortly. So I rushed over there and I wanted to see how they make the holige and what are the ingredients they use to make their holige. And that's why it is talked about all across Bangalore. Since I got the front seat in seeing how they make the holige, I wanted to see the dough. It is already dipped in ghee or oil. All he needs to do is take the dough, place it on a flat surface on top of a paper that gives him the shape for the holige to be round, and then he spreads it with a roller pin and he flattens it out. So this is the way he does his holige. So these are pre-mixed doughs which is mixed with different flavors such as coconut, it is mixed with jackfruit, as well as with mango. So all these three oliges, he started to get the shape of it by using a roller pin, and then he placed it on the stove. Now the next person will heat both the sides of the holige, and once it is little brownish and they take it off the stove and place it aside. Your hot obote over here, you can have it right here, like you can have it right away. But we prefer to parcel it home, and we like to taste, because the crowd over here is pretty high. So it's better that we go somewhere else, and actually it'd be better to have it at home. As you can see, there are a couple of people waiting for their food, also for their holige that they have ordered. Now we got a parcel, and we'll take it home to review the food. Now we have bought a parcel, we are going back home, and the crowd also is pretty high over here because of the Diwali shopping and all. And today is a national holiday, it's a holiday, a state holiday, because it's called Karnataka Rajya Utsav, which is actually the formation day of Karnataka. So it's pretty busy over here, we'll go home. And today is a Sunday. In fact, it's also a busy shopping day also for everyone. Everybody wants to go out and take a walk. And it's a good place to walk to in Malleshwaram. So let's go home now. Apart from the eatery stalls, there are a lot of junk jewelry shops. Also, there was a good shop where they sell good Kanchipuram saris. And this was ultimately the best saris that we have seen across in Malleshwaram. It's a good place where we can take a walk to. So we saw the saris joint. Apart from this, there are other small sellers who sell other items like fruits, handbags, etc. on the footpath. When it's really a good sight to see, because it's like a marketplace and people can just go stroll around looking at clothes. They can purchase bags, jute bags, churida materials. There's a lot of options over there for each person with different budget. We parked a car next to KC General Hospital because there was no parking over here. And now we are going back home, and this is also next to the Malleshwaram traffic police station, so there was a bit of parking. In fact, the parking over here is only 30 rupees. It's better off, and you can pay you can park it for however long you want to, so it was convenient. So now let's go home and taste our food, and we will give a review about how is it. The next stop was to go back home, and using Google Maps was the best way to reach home. It took us through all the gullies and all the little pathways and roads that got us back to our destination. In fact, it was wonderful driving through Malleshwaram, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. We reached home finally, and we are excited to open a package of holige. Now we are packing our holige. This is called holige. So we have three flavors away. One is jackfruit, one is mango, and next one is coconut. So we've got three types of holige for us. And ideally this should be had at that place itself. It should be hot. But due to the corona situation, we had to come back home. And we thought of doing a review at home itself. This is a coconut holige over here. The next is a mango holige that we have got. And finally, this is a jackfruit holige. These are the three flavors that we have bought from Haliman. So let's taste the mango holige, or the Indian flat bread. It's an Indian sweet bread actually. So let's taste it. This has a taste of sweetness of mango, as well as the taste of flour, and it's a sweet, very sweet. Now let's taste the jackfruit sweet bread. There's a lot of flavor of jackfruit. Now let's taste coconut holige. Three different flavors, three different tastes. Coconut holige, you have the taste of coconut inside the sweet bread, and it's very nicely made, and ideally it's very tasty and delicious too. Please go over there to this place and have the taste of this Indian sweet bread or holige over there. Very tasty and worth your time and effort when you go there. We hope you liked watching our video on how our visit to Halimane restaurant was, and we hope you liked it. Please share it with your friends if you found this video useful, and kind of informative. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.